Among people with financial crime cases before the courts in 2024 include the former governor of Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele, who is still facing trial in multiple courts with varying counts bordering on alleged embezzlement, misappropriation, and money laundering. The case of former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, is also before the Federal High Court and the High Court of the FCT on alleged financial crimes amounting to 110 billion naira. While he was denied bail by the High Court of the FCT, the Federal High Court granted him bail with a sum of 500 million naira with two sureties who must have landed property within the jurisdiction of the court. A former Minister of Aviation under the administration of President Muhammad Buhari, Hadi Abubakar Shirika, and his brother were arraigned before Justice Begori of the High Court Garuki. They were arraigned on a 10-count charge bordering on contract fraud to the tune of 5.8 billion naira, which they pleaded not guilty. They were subsequently granted bail with a sum of 100 million naira each with two sureties.
There are cases that have gone on for the past 10, 6, 7 years, and there's no the date when they might be concluded is not in sight. Even when you conclude the trial, they can go on appeal. But plea bargaining gives you a certain closure within a limited period of time.
Another criminal trial before the court was that instituted against Binance Nigeria. But in October 23rd, the Nigerian Anti-Corruption Agency dropped a money laundering case against the top cryptocurrency executive, Tigran Gambaryan. The Nigerian government had accused Binance of manipulating the local currency through peer-to-peer trading on its platform. It subsequently slammed tax evasion, currency speculation, and money laundering counts to the tune of $34 million against its executives. There were other cases of cyber crimes that took place in 2024. Commenting on how the courts have fared in handling criminal cases, legal experts say it was challenging. But with the ongoing reforms under the Renew Hope agenda, they said things are getting better.
We need to reduce the number of times that witnesses are physically needed to come to court. We need to come up with a system where testimonies can be taken without them physically being in court.
We have common, similar minimum standards. In other words, everywhere you go in Nigeria, you can expect that you will find these provisions there. That's one.
To expedite criminal trials, they have this suggestion for the critical stakeholders in the justice sector.
I think apart from the judges, apart from the investigators, apart from the prosecutors, it is important that the authorities, and I appeal to the NJC particularly, to set a deadline for e-recording to become the normal practice in our courts.
They expressed optimism that 2025 will be better going by the reforms embarked upon by the Ministry of Justice.